How you doing? You know, like Venus of Willendorf kind of thick.
Question it again, I swear I'll come.
But now I'm gonna have a collection of all the cool social media potters, so suck it!
Oh dear Lord. Oh dear sweet, historically accurate Jesus, it actually fits in there.
You know what you should make? You should make the shut up is what you should make.
Oh, but Dante, how are you going to attach them? I've never seen a technique where somebody attaches a substance. Did you fire them in the kiln together? Is that how you did?
Nope, I have this super duper good material that connects them together. It's top secret. No one else in the world knows about it. Sometimes I wonder, oh, am I too big brain? Am I too big brain to have this material? Should this not be in the hands of a genius such as I? The answer is actually no, because it's honestly just Gorilla Glue.
I need like a timeline of things that normal people say to us that offend potters within pottery culture. That like, oh, okay, you're gonna mention the movie Ghost at some point. I know you are. You're not that special. You just scoot your hand straight into that crack.
Sometimes you get what you pay for, sometimes you get debated, who knows? But I'm doing it in this video.
Stop asking us about the movie Ghost. Stop it. Look, we're gonna break it. Right underneath the guy who won't stop asking you to make him a bong. But he keeps forgetting because he's high all the time.
Like there was nothing wrong with that pot. I would have loved it. You're so mean. Give me, do for free.
Would you? You should put out your hair blonde. Yes, Gwyneth, I'm getting up in there. Good lighting right now, honestly. Oh no! Swolly matrimony.
What are you doing?
I didn't see you there.
Just hammering a table?
No.
It's 100 degrees in Sacramento now and I need AC. Clearly we need a virgin sacrifice. You're dark, right? You're a dark clay body.
Don't do it.
Yeah, you'll do fine.
Is he saying I've been doing it wrong the entire time?
30 minutes of us breaking pottery in slow motion. Are you trying to Mario me right now?
Oh, your car's so fast. Big pee-pee. My God, throw my panties at you. Car so fast.
No, werewolves don't make sense. Even during werewolves don't make sense because they would be a werewolf 100% of the time. Because if the thing that turns you into a werewolf is moonlight, what do you think sunlight is?
It's
Reflected moonlight. We have to stop being weird now? No. Podcast go.
Oh, why are you pouring your glaze? Why don't you brush it on like a normal person? I don't understand.
Thanks, Graham.
Don't put that in, that's weird.
Doesn't seem to apply to anyone else.
Product, and then we'll send you them products. We'll have our products. And number 2, my back blowout game is awesome. Or so I've been told by the one person that I by basically one person. Don't look at the back of my head, you perv. This is the path we're taking. But if I tell that to that person, they're gonna get on some Valley Girl astrology. You can't compare pain. Pain is pain. If Donte today would have a conversation with Donte 10 years ago, what conversation would he have about ceramics and life? First of all, I would beat the living crap out of that kid. Those are all porcelain. And yes, this is garbage. Let's do this. We just skipped that step. I just put them on the ground there. You happy now, you little loser? Now it's time to grind this pot out like a high schooler in the bathroom when we should be in class. I'm just...
Hi, I'm Tasha from Tasha Throws Raw. I throw pottery, and I'm here to do a pit fire with Dante and Lindsay with Earth Nation Ceramics and Lindsay and Milton.
Oh, right.
Man, Milton. Damn, it's so close. I don't know what to do with it, so let's throw it in a pit and fire it in a pit that is firing with fire.
You good?
Yes. Why is my butt the storage spot?
I mean, that's where I like to put stuff. And I don't have enough gold. And secondly, there's way too many. Like, look, it's gonna. All right, it's done. It's done now. It's done now.
We don't have a whisk, but Lindsay just handed me this spatula. She didn't even say nothing. She was just like, oh, here's this, here. Mix it with this.
Throw your gift and grip away!